Welcome. If you want to keep your Facebook account secure or just want to see where your profile has been logged in, today's step-by-step guide will show you exactly how to find your logged-in history on your Facebook page using the PC app, even after the latest update. First, make sure the Facebook app is open on your computer. Once it's loaded, take a look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your page profile photo there. Go ahead and click on your profile picture. This will open a menu with several options related to your page. From this menu, look for and click on Settings and Privacy. When this opens, you'll notice an option called Activity Log. Click on Activity Log to move to the next step. Inside the Activity Log, you'll be able to dig even deeper into your Facebook page's activity. Scroll through the options until you find where you're logged in. Click here. This will bring up a page that shows all the devices and locations where your Facebook account is currently logged in or has been accessed recently. You'll see details like device types, browser information, and sometimes even the geographic location. If you spot anything unusual, like a login from a location you don't recognize, you can take action right there and log out of any suspicious session with just a click. Checking your logged-in history is a simple but powerful way to protect your Facebook page and your information. Make it a habit to review these details every now and then, especially after using shared computers or connecting to unfamiliar networks. That's all you need to do. By following these steps, you can easily monitor where your Facebook account is logged in and keep your page secure. Thanks for watching, and if this guide helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials.